Friends, hope you all are doing good. Today I have prepared 5 best indoor plants for home decoration and air purifying house plants. So I will showcase 5 best indoor plants you can have in your indoor in your home, and which are very good for air purifying house, and those looks very beautiful, and also it has a very a low maintenance effort is required. Okay, so let's go through these 5 best indoor plants. Okay, and then we'll talk about each plants, how we can take care of them, and what are the temperature, room temperature, and how much water you need to pour in on daily basis. So those we can discuss in our next slides. Okay, so the first one is ZZ plant. That is very good for air purifying, and it needs very less water, so no need to pour water on everyday basis. Okay, you can pour water maybe 2 or 3 times in a month. Okay, so these plants needs only air. Okay, and you will keep inside the room, no sunlight is required. Only you need to pour water 2 to 3 times, very less amount of water is need. And the soil also needs to be is not very solid soil. It's kind of mix of coconut dust and soil, with you can mix some uh, some kind of potassium, or kind of uh, organic mixture. Okay, so that I think it will help to grow the plant. Okay, so the next plant is green money plant. Okay, it's very commonly used as indoor plant, and also it doesn't need much water. Also it helps to purify your inside house. Okay, so green money plant is available, is easily available in the market, so you can have this inside the room. It looks good, and also it gives you energy, and it gives you inner peace. When you see the leaves, it's so green, it is very good to have inside the room. And the next is rubber tree. Is also is very good, and it's helps to purify air purify inside the room, and also it doesn't require much water. So but it's also is easy to maintain, and it also helps to purify the air inside the room. Okay, the third one is the spathiphyllum plant, and it looks very beautiful. It also has some kind of flower, white flower, you can see in the picture. It looks very really beautiful, and also it helps to purifying the yeah. Okay, and the next is cactus. So cactus is one kind of plant. It doesn't really require any water, and it can grow inside the room, and also it helps to purify the air inside the room. Okay, and it has various kind of cactus we have. So, and also it is easily available in the market. You can buy, you can purchase, and you can keep it at home. Also it is very less maintenance is required, and it's easy to grow as well. Okay, so friends, please subscribe my channel. I'll bring more this kind of informative videos for you. And with these 5 best indoor or air purifying plants available worldwide, and these are very popular and worldwide availability of these plants. So so I'll try to bring more informative videos, more information about plants and other informative related videos for you guys. So please subscribe my channel and help and support my effort. Thanks for watching my video. That's all for today. Thank you.